Hey everyone, this is Umair Haq with Hands On Real Estate, and today is Taco Tuesday, baby. So we wanted to have you guys spit a little knowledge, give you guys some good information about real estate investing. I've been in the game a little over 3 years, and I'm currently full-time with real estate investments. And today, we got tacos. Who loves tacos? I know I do. Especially when they don't break. I'm sorry, I had to take a bite of that first. So, the unique thing about tacos is their layers. There's layers of tacos. I mean, these chefs put a lot of layers of beef, cheese, sour cream, secret sauce sometimes, right? When you're starting in real estate investing, there's layers. And if you're brand new, write this down. Go ahead and write this down. These are the 4 layers of real estate investing that you're gonna traditionally go through, right? Number 1, I wish I had something to write on, right? Number 1, wholesaling. If you don't know what wholesaling is, it's a strategy to help you to get in and out of property, bringing buyers and sellers together, and taking some money out of the transaction, typically on the seller side, unless you're doing a double closing. I'm not gonna go into a lot of logistics, but wholesaling. A lot of folks that are just getting started begin with wholesaling. Number 2, you got fixing and flipping properties. I know you've seen those HGTV shows. They make it look so easy, right? There's a lot more to it. But when you're getting into properties, you're finding them distressed, you're finding them pennies on the dollar. You're going out and you're making some profit. So level 2, fixing and flipping, okay? Level 3 is what your buy and holds, your rental business, right? If you get a cash flowing rental business, I mean, really, you'll never need to work a day in your life. Well, not 8 hours anyways, right? And then the last level is the banking business, right? Or notes, buying and selling mortgage notes. Okay, so those are the 4 layers that you're gonna kind of run through as you're getting started real estate investing. Now, when you really understand the game, you're gonna start mixing it up, right? You'll be baking your own cake, if you may, right? A little bit of this, a little bit of that, until you just master the game of real estate investment. So again, I'm gonna walk you through them, then I'm gonna let you go for the day. Thank you for joining this vlog. We're gonna be back this every week, bringing out more hot videos, dropping some knowledge, and if you get a moment, like this video, subscribe here on YouTube, find me on Facebook, especially if you're in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area. We got a local office here. We're creating what we like to call a real estate ecosystem, okay? We've got title companies, attorneys, realtors, investors, money partners, all in one place. That's the beauty of what we're creating here. So again, wholesaling, fixing and flipping, your rentals or your buy and hold business, in the notes business, right? Those are the 4 levels of real estate investing. My name is Umair Haq. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.